go, the Mercure Hotel, Manchester. Why are we here? Well, mind your business. Manchester, Piccadilly Hotel, the Mercure. Never been to a Mercure before, but we're going in one now. Big old reception. Blue lights. Concierge. Lounge restaurant at the back. And I guess that's where reception is. Oh, some history. Oh, here we go. Look at this. Famous people. Check out all the famous people who have no doubt stayed here at the hotel. Yeah, Steve Coogan, Gallagher's, Fufu Lamar, whoever that is. And then of course Jack and Vera Duckworth of Coronation Street. So up the stairs to reception. One flight.
That's what you like when you go to hotels.
What do you mean?
Wandering around like an idiot.
Yeah.
I don't know where I'm going. I don't read the signs.
I saw the signs. Staircase to reception is another one. Staircase to reception. Unusual. Oh man, I'm gonna get hit with a...
Copyright.
Yeah, it's all copyright. I'm gonna have to talk over it. Here we go. What's on this level? Fitness studio, brilliant. I got no shorts. Oh, so maybe we could have just come in another way. Yeah, so we're here. Chinese New Year, so there's some lanterns around. Manchester's known for bees, so very much a Manchester. A hotel proud of its Manchester heritage and its place in the community.
Floor 7.
Floor 7. Check out the green flashy lights now. Ready? Waiting for it. Attention, attention, attention. Wow! Green lights for go. There you go. Special treat, iron brew, loving it. And we got some lovely hotel art adorning the corridors. That's the carpet. It's definitely a pattern going on. And this, ladies and gentlemen, is us. Green lights. Oh. Come on in. Here we go. Oh. First thing I see is a stain. Brown stain. Double bed, loads of pillows. Looks alright. Couple of lamps either side. They may or may not work. We'll see. We have some hotel art on the wall. Let's have a look. You know what? That's okay. For hotel room art, that's okay. Telephone for room service. The curtains sort of match the carpet, but as long as they kind of shut out the darkness, they're okay with me. We've got a nice little desk here. There's some power. Just trying to look around the room to see if there's any more power. A little thermostat on the wall. Let's have a close up of the thermostat. It's not bad at all. Oh, we got more art. Wow, 2 bits of art in the room. And what's that in the middle? Like a jug. Yeah, cool, jug. Decent sized TV with remote. Chair which has seen better days, a little bit worn, a little bit torn. But I suppose the cool thing about this room that I'm seeing is the view. So ladies and gentlemen, that is Manchester at 3:30 on a Saturday afternoon. So it looks as if there is something going on in the centre there. Looks, well, that's a German word, so maybe it's like a German market. So I don't know if that's kind of like closing down after Christmas. But we're in the 21st of January, the time I'm recording this. So maybe it's being torn down. So Piccadilly Gardens just up there. But yeah, and you can see the beginnings of a wonderful little sunset as well. And because this is a new phone, you can actually see the damn sunset, which is nice. And that looks like a bullet hole. Look at that. Someone's shooting guns at us. I'm here with my wife, and she's been in here already, and she just came out, and her review was, it's a shit bathroom, it's worse than our shower. And that is a harsh review. So we got some body wash here, we got some shampoo there. It might smell nice, but you can't steal it. I'm all about the freebies. Over here we got some liquid soap. Don't know what flavour this is. Petit grain and lemons. Okay, something I suppose. And so what have we got? We got some drainage, some towels, yeah. But yeah, we don't have a bathtub at home. We have a bathtub here, but looking at the streaks on it, I'm not sure if that's going to get used. So we've got a hairdryer, we've got an iron and an ironing board just there, tucked around the corner here. A lovely safe, some extra towels. What have we got here? Peppermint tea, that's always a good sign. What's the purple one? Earl Grey, different. English breakfast. All stealable, kind of cool. What the hell is this? Ooh! You are spoiling us, dough egg butts. Oh, hello. This might be the biggest chip so far. They give you, so this is disappointing, they give you biscuits, stem ginger biscuits. That sounds great. Why is only one packet? There's 2 cups, there's 2 guests. Sure, of course I'll share, but in theory my wife doesn't have a packet. Of course it could be that I don't have a packet, but my wife doesn't have a packet. Okay, well, yay art. Let's try the bed. That's a pretty good bed. It's firm, but it's comfortable. And bouncy and springy. And I think 1 pillow is enough. 2 pillows is also okay, but I think 1 pillow is the way to go. So first impressions, strange old hotel. Again, it seems my wife is better at doing this kind of thing than me, because she has already described it as half good and half, what did you say, half posh and half buzzing. Because you walk through reception, and you've seen reception, and it's quite nice. There's flowers and there's lanterns and there's like Manchester artwork and stuff, but it's playing I'm horny and stuff, and just booming that out. But yeah, price wise, usually I think you're paying about 110 for this room. We didn't pay that. I cashed in a free hotels night, so I think we got it for about 65 pounds, which is pretty good. I think what you're paying, okay, best thing about this room is the view. Easy. Because I don't know how much you can kind of pick up on camera, but as well as seeing all the stuff in the foreground, it's like you can really see far. You can see mountains and things like that, so it's a really good view. So worth it just for that, really. So I look forward to seeing that in the morning, especially if we have a nice clear day, because it's still quite grey out there. So I think you could probably see further. But it's also interesting to see all the cranes and all the building work that's going on. So that's the room. Yeah. To celebrate Chinese New Year, they had a big bowl full of cookies out in reception. So obviously we grabbed a couple. So let's see what my fortune is. Right, let's see what we get. I knew it was something insightful and useful and inspiring. Here we go, here we go. Crumbs on the bed. Do that which your heart tells you. Strange hotel, this. On the one hand, you know, with the lobby and the reception and things like that, it's actually quite nice, quite spacious. You know, the things they're doing for Chinese New Year and the flowers and things, it's nice. But then all that good work is undone by "Don't call me baby," just and you know, in reception, you know, going on the loudspeaker in reception is really strange. But what I will say is, it's Saturday night. It's Manchester. There's people running on the corridors with bottles of wine and champagne under their arms. It's going to be noisy, I think. So look at this. It's like tin foil holding the shower on or stopping leaks or something. I guess we won't know until we use the shower, but it's not great, is it? What is going on here? Okay. That was a bit grumpy. Look at this. Like someone's trying to break into the safe. Unsuccessfully. Or maybe unsuccessfully, who knows? So, all wrapped up warm, about to head out into Manchester on a cold Sunday morning. But let's talk about the hotel room. So like I said, it should be about £110. Would I want to pay that again? You know what? I'm not sure, because I don't think I'm a fan of this hotel. I think the bed was actually kind of hard to sleep in. The pillows were fine, you know. So as far as the sleep goes, it was okay. The curtains blocked out every little bit of light, so it was a very dark room. The shower's weird. It's incredibly hot, which is good, but it's hard to direct the nozzle, if you like, the head of the shower. My biggest complaint though is that I asked twice for extra milk and I never received extra milk. So we wanted a cup of tea last night and we were denied because reception couldn't be bothered or weren't able to get us milk. So I've got myself some milk this morning, just as a moral victory. Guest services were in the corridor. I just asked for some milk. Got myself some milk. Easy. Not going to use it. We need to go. The walls are thin. You can hear the people around you. You can hear in the corridors. You can hear in the rooms next door. That might be something to do with the way the windows are set up. The one thing I will say is, and I'll turn it around here. You sort of pay for this, I reckon. You're paying for the view out of the window over Manchester on a nice clear day. You can see for miles and miles and miles around. That's not a bad view. That's possibly the best view that we've had in these hotels so far, I would say. But that's it. So we're gonna head out. If I'm rating this, this doesn't get higher than a 6, really. you know, the window should maybe push it to a 7, but I don't know. I'd be reticent to come back. But that's that. Okay, let me know what you think. But we're out of here. So yeah, I don't remember where I am next week. I think it's Kensington, but who knows. Until then, see ya. Bye.